You know that feeling when you get fresh new tools?
It's time to refresh my toolkit with some essentials for the workshop.
First up, some fresh utility knives. I just had to get these out of their stubborn packaging. And for precision, I feel like I can never have enough levels. Gotta get these bad boys ready for my projects. Look how perfectly that little bubble sits right there. It's so essential for any project, big or small. Seriously, this is so satisfying. I'm completely ready to tackle anything now.